Hello everyone. So for the hackathon, we are deciding the task 3, Soul Buddy AI-powered spiritual guide. Our objective is to develop an AI-driven platform that generates personalized spiritual guidance through astrology and numerology. The system will provide insights, recommendation, and ritual based on user birth details, along with an interactive chatbot for spiritual advice. Key features involved input user provides birth details. Core features are Kundalini and horoscope generation. AI recommendation is there. Spiritual content delivery, chatbot interaction. So let's visit our dashboard once. So this is our basic dashboard. Astro Guide, discover your cosmic journey, unlock the secrets of the universe with AI-powered astrological insights tailored just for you. Only generation is one feature, AI recommendation and spiritual guidance. You can also get the cosmic insights of the day. Okay, so let's visit feature number one, the Kundalini generator. Okay, so you have to enter the name and the gender. After entering, you provide the basic birth detail. For example, I am providing mine. After this, the time of birth is optional, and after that, you tell the next, the city you are born in, the state, and the country. Okay. After this, you generate the horoscope. Okay, so this is the horoscope being generated by our AI. Okay. So this is how the Rashi chart look like. Okay. So you can see this is the Rashi chart we have made, the date of birth, the time of birth, and the longitude, latitude. Okay. So this was the horoscope being generated by our model. So let's visit a feature for chart analysis. Okay, so in this you have to enter the date of birth, time of birth, location. So after entering the date of birth, time of birth, location, and observation point, okay, you can see the chart is being generated. You can see the chart has been generated. You can also change the date of birth, your original one. Okay, I've changed the date of birth. Let's now see what's the chart will be generated. So you can see the chart is different as the house numbers are there because it's a mesh chart. Okay, so this is the chart. In house 11, you can see various planets are there. In house 10, Uranus, house 8, Rahu, house 9, Saturn. Okay, so this was the Navmash chart based on the birth data input. So let's visit a second feature, planetary information. After entering the date and time, you can enter the date. Okay, so after entering the date, hours, minutes, and seconds, latitude, longitude. Okay, after this, you calculate the positions. So after calculating the position, you can see the positions are being calculated. The degree is calculated, the house 8, house 10, the moon house 10 degree is 5.12 degree, Mars 4.91 degree, house is 6, Gemini 4.22 Mercury. Okay, so based on the input parameters, it may change. For example, if I press 2007, you can see it got changed, like ascendant, sun, moon, Mars, Mercury. You can also see the chart that had been changed. Okay, so this was our planetary positions dashboard. So let's go to the AI insights. So we have AI-powered astrological insights. First is gemstone recommendation. Again, so discover the perfect gemstone to enhance your energy and balance your chakras. Various gemstones are there, and the planets associating to it, and the icons. So entering your name, your date of birth, and the time. Also enter the place of birth. So after this, you can see your recommended gemstone, which all moon is the planet, and you can see it looks like this. Importance also mentioned, when to wear is also mentioned, and do's and don'ts are also mentioned. You can also change the name if you want to another someone, like so much. You can also change the date of birth, for example 2007. So for that also, you can see the recommended gemstone gets changed. Gemstone is Mesonite, while planet is Rahu. Importance is also mentioned, and when to wear is also mentioned. Do's and don'ts are wear with a silver or Panchadhatu ring. Don't combine with a pearl or gold. Okay, so this was the gemstone recommendation. Let's go to the personalized mantras. So in this, you have just have to enter the birth details. Okay, so let's enter the birth detail. After this, the mantra for you gets generated. Like based on your birth date, personalized mantra is Om Shrim Him Klim Mahalakshmi Namaha. Okay, so you have to chant this mantra 51 times daily. Bonus tips are also mentioned, and why this mantra is also mentioned. So this was the personalized mantra. Let's visit to the yoga practices. Okay, so you have to enter the date, the time, month you have to mention, for example 12, and the date. Okay, so time is mentioned, latitude you can mention, and the time zone. After this, we are calculating the yoga durations. So as you can see, the yoga periods have been calculated. Varian completion is this, and Parigrah. Okay. So if you change, for example, 2025. So as you can see, it gets changed. Vishkambha, remaining is this, and okay, this was your yoga practices. Let's visit chat once. Okay, so this is our basic AI chatbot which we integrated in this. So as you can see, we provide the real-time insights. You can also ask some questions like, okay, I asked the question what things to wear on Tuesday and what color not. Okay, so to provide you the most accurate and relevant information. So this is Tuesday are associated with planet Mars, which is known for its energetic and dynamic influence. Okay, so based on this, here are some recommended colors are earthy tones such as brown, beige, olive green. Okay, color to avoid are pastel colors, which are associated with the moon and make less with Mars. Okay, additional tips are also mentioned. As you can see, additional tips wearing clothes that makes you feel confident, as Mars is a planet associated with self-expression. Okay, you can also ask another question also. So I have asked what gemstone on Tuesday. So as you can see, to provide you the most accurate information, I will provide need to consider the day of the week, which is Tuesday. Okay, so here's the breakdown. Sunday, you have to Sun, Ruby, Monday, Moon, Pearl, Tuesday, Mars, Gallium, Wednesday, is Mercury, Agate, Thursday, Jupiter, and so on. Okay, so this was a basic chatbot which we integrated. So now we will see Langflow. Langflow is a tool that makes it easy to create and use AI workflows without writing a lot of. You can think of it like a drag and drop platform where you can connect different blocks to build a language-based AI system. Okay, so why use Langflow? Because it's a simple to use, customizable, test quickly, and work with other tools. Like you can see, the file is being generated and split into chunks. We are also using the AstroDB, which we'll discuss. Okay, so we are providing the chat input. After this, we are searching this input into AstroDB and parsing the input. After this, we are providing the prompt, which gets into the input for the large language model. After that, we get the chat output. So this was a basic Langflow dashboard which we created for making a AI chatbot. So let's test the Langflow. So as you can see, we asked the question hi and we get the response. After this, we also asked what are the zodiac signs and their significance. So it answers the questions: Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, and all. This was a basic Langflow dashboard which helps us to create a AI chatbot. So previously we saw we were using the AstraDB. AstraDB is a cloud database service built on Apache Cassandra. It helps you to store and manage large amount of data efficiently while ensuring high speed and reliability. Okay. So features of AstraDB is fully managed, always available, scalable as it's scalable, also serverless, multi-cloud support, easy to use, fast and reliable. Free tier is always available on it. Okay, we are also using the free tier. So we have made a database round 2. It's a serverless database. Okay, so we provide various collections, Astro and round 21. So basically the database is the vectorized database. What's the vectorized database? Vectorized database store data as vectors, number that represent meanings. This allows it to perform tasks like finding similar terms or searching by meaning instead of just matching. Okay, for example, if you search for cute dog, it can find results related to puppies even if they don't use the exact words. Okay, so why use it? Because it's a smart search, fast performance, AI ready. Okay, so this is the vectorized database. You can see the vector, and you also heard one term as the embedding. Okay, so what is the embedding in database? Embedding in a database means storing spatial numeric representation of data like text or images that capture their meaning or similarity. Instead of just saving plain text or files, the data saves these numbers called embeddings, okay, which helps in tasks like finding similar terms, searching by meaning. So how it works, like they convert data, after this store the numbers, find similar matches. Okay, so this makes it great for smart searches and AI-driven applications. So as you can see, we have made the two collections, Astro and Round 21. In the Astro, we have stored it on the table format, and in the Round 21, we stored in we stored it in the vectorized format. Okay, so we are using the NVIDIA as the vectorized model. So this was a basic overview of the dashboard. One special thing of the AstraDB is it provides various integration platforms, like we are using NVIDIA and Hugging Face, but it provides various platforms like GitHub Copilot, Versal, NVIDIA, OpenAI, and you can use all of them for free of cost. So this was a basic Astra database. You also saw the Langto dashboard. So this was a basic prototype which is useful for the chatbot integration. Hope you like this.